Hello again everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to bring you a tutorial on how to get Google Play Store to your iOS device. This step-by-step guide will show you how to access a vast collection of apps and enjoy the convenience that Android users have been enjoying for years. First things first, let me demonstrate that it's indeed possible to have the Google Play Store on your iPhone. As you can see, I have already installed it on my iPhone, and it functions just like it does on any Android phone. To get started, there are a few adjustments we need to make in your iPhone settings to ensure a smooth installation. Don't worry, it's an easy process, and I'll guide you through each step. Begin by going to the General tab in your iPhone setting. Here we want to ensure that the Background App Refresh option is enabled. This feature allows apps to refresh their content in the background, ensuring that you have the latest updates and a smooth experience. Make sure it's toggled on and choose whether you prefer it to work on Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Moving on, let's head to the battery setting. It's crucial to verify that your iPhone is not in low power mode as it can impact app performance. If it's enabled, simply toggle it off to ensure your device is ready for the Play Store installation. Now, on to the final step before we proceed to the exciting part. Open the App Store and check if automatic downloads is enabled. This setting ensures that apps, including the Play Store, are downloaded automatically when they're ready. Now that we've covered all the settings, it's time to download and install the Play Store on your iPhone. Here's how to do it. Launch your preferred internet browser on your iPhone. Go to the oginject.vip. This website specializes in app injection and provides access to modded apps. Once you're on the site, locate the search bar and type in Play Store to find the app. When the app appears in the search results, tap on it. Click Start Injection to initiate the installation process. Please be patient as the injection process may take a few minutes to complete. Trust me, the wait will be worth it. After the injection process is successfully completed, you'll have the Google Play Store installed on your iPhone, ready to explore and enjoy a wide range of apps and games. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.